Okay, so we are finally done. The project is complete. We're going to leave those right there in the front of the house, at the entrance to the house. Okay, so here we go. The flagstone benches are done. The walkway is done. Nice little step down here. All the rock is finally in place. Beautiful sound. We'll get a street side view here in a minute. We'll just walk down this way. So now you can see the front yard. Beautiful waterfall. I will be coming out here in the morning to have my cup of coffee. Sit on the bench over there and enjoy a nice cup of coffee by my waterfall. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get some pictures, before pictures, during pictures, and put together a complete video. Oh, it's nice. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. So, the next video will be a picture slideshow and maybe some videos during. Beautiful. Thanks for watching the video.